Okay, we have here a Bluetooth foldable wireless headphones, and it's blue. We got it at Big Lots. We're going to be doing an unboxing video. There's all the features it has. This is what it looks like with the buttons on the side. Alright, now we're going to unbox it. It's taped down on the sides right here, so we're going to have to pull off the tape. If we had a knife, it would be easier, right? Let's see. Okay, and then it opens right here. You lift it, and here we go. Are you ready? Are you sure? Good. And here we go. Comes with the headphones. And this might be an aux cord or a charging cable or both in there, as you can see. And then it has instructions. It's the Polaroid brand. Instruction manual. Great. And then has all the buttons and what they do in the instruction manual. Right there. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and pull out the headphones. They look really nice. Wow. Brand new. Oh. I guess they pop into place like that. Perfect. Snap them in. And they're cozy. They have really soft, squishy earpieces. No wires. And then they adjust. You can pull them down if your head's bigger or smaller. There you go. Just like that. And then I think it might have to be charged up first before we can get it to work, but this is where all the buttons are. We charge it right here on the bottom of the headphone. And then the on button, the play button, and the reverse button and all that stuff is right here. We're going to probably do a part 2 of the unboxing video so we can show you after we charge it and actually while it's working. It's pretty cool. I've never had wireless headphones before. There you go. This is video number 1 of the unboxing video. Thanks for watching.